16 million people handed over their money for a subscription. 16 million. That is a massive crowd of people all chasing the same goal. They want to speak a new language. And they want it to be easy. This company, born in Berlin back in the mid-2000s, long before we all had smartphones in our pockets, has positioned itself as the serious choice. They claim to be the academic alternative to those apps that feel more like video games. They hire hundreds of linguists to handcraft every single lesson. They boast about university studies from Yale and Michigan State to prove their worth. It sounds incredibly impressive, doesn't it? But when you actually peel back the layers of that research, the story starts to change. I spend days digging into the actual data from those studies, and what I found is a bit of a reality check. Take the research from Michigan State. They tracked 85 students over 12 weeks. On paper, the results look great, but look at the fine print. 36% of those people dropped out before the study even ended. They just quit. And that 96% success rate everyone quotes, that only includes the people who managed to stick with it for at least 10 hours. It is much easier to have high success rates when you only count the people who did not give up. Then you have the Yale study. It showed that everyone improved their speaking skills, but let us look at what that actually means. We are talking about basic greetings. We are talking about simple plans for the weekend. This is not the level of skill you need to lead a business meeting in Barcelona or discuss complex politics in Paris. There is a massive difference between basic competency and true fluency. I look through tens of thousands of reviews too. People generally like the grammar explanations and the native speaker audio. The lessons are bite-sized and easy to fit into a busy day. But there is a consistent complaint from people who move past the beginner phase. They hit a ceiling. They find that the app just cannot take them to that next level of deep, meaningful engagement. The truth is, this tool is a fantastic foundation builder. It is great for taking you from zero to a low intermediate level. The spaced repetition works. The speech recognition is helpful for your accent, but it is not a magic wand. If you think you can become fluent in 3 months for the price of a couple of coffees, you are setting yourself up for disappointment. You're building the basement and the frame of a house, but the app alone will not finish the roof or paint the walls. You have to be realistic about what a subscription can actually do. It is a solid, expert-designed starting point. It is better than most of the competition, but it is only a piece of the puzzle. I do these investigations because I want to see past the marketing. I want to know what is worth your time and what is just expensive noise. If this helps you decide where to put your money, that is why I am here. You can support this work by using the links I provided for your everyday shopping, which helps me stay independent. Keep your eyes open. Keep questioning the big numbers. And I will be back soon to look into the next big promise.